Hello everyone and welcome back to BMW Restored. I thought I'd just make a quick video for those of you who bought these sunroof gate for the E31. So this is something that I've recreated using aluminium. As we know, they all crack at the moment due to the age, so as they are brittle. So I'm just going to show you a couple of steps for those of you who kind of need assistance or need installing these. It's very same, exactly the same process as the original ones, but I'll show you just in case for those who don't know. We will start by tilting the sunroof, so put it on tilt mode, and you can see these 3 screws on each side of the sunroof, and just literally unscrew all 6, and you need extra hand and you can lift it up. After you've done that, there's 4 more screws here on the bottom. In order to access that, what you have to do, go underneath and slide the sunroof back as if you're taking it backwards, and then this section will get released. Well, you can see, you access this section and then literally unscrew that and then slide it back again, and then you can unscrew the other 4. After you've done that, you can easily lift the whole section up, but as you can see here, just unscrew all of them, and the 4th one, as you can see, was covered in that circle section there. So yeah, and then literally pull it away, the whole thing. And here, as you can see, all you need to do is take that grommet out. Please keep that safe. Please keep that grommet safe, because you will need to put that back in on the aluminium one that I've supplied, as that will stop from it sliding or popping out. So keep that in mind, and then all you need to do is pop that out from in between the both arms there. After you've done that, literally take it back, slot it back through where you took the grommet out. As you can see, this is why there's a grommet there. So, and then slide it in between the both arms, as you can see on the picture right there, and then put the grommet back in where, well, literally doing the reverse of what you did when you first took it off. So put that back in. So please keep the original one safe, and that will stop it from coming out. Make sure, please, this metal right there, as you can see, is in between. And the plastic bit right there, as you can see, it goes under. So the rubber piece, that's the bit that helps to slide back and forward. So make sure this is right under and this is aligned here. So please bear in mind that rubber section goes under. And then put everything back together. Make sure, please, I'm just going to show you again in a bit, that the wires that you saw before is in place right there. As you can see that wire there, that goes right underneath in the slot. So make sure it's not loose. If it's loose, just maybe you might need to take the sunroof back or forward and adjust it, making sure they're tight and not loose, and they will slot in between. And then after it's slotted in, literally put the panel back in and screw all of them. And again, for the last one over there, what you might need to do is tilt it back again. As you can see, just tilt it back and you'll be able to access the other screw. So once you've slided, now this is the hook that goes to hold the water back. So we hook that back here on both sides. So that's what helps to slide the plastic bit that's sitting at the back from the water to coming inside. So that will hold it down. So you can do that on the both sides, and that's pretty much it. After that, you can test it, make sure that it's going back and forward, as you can see here. Also making sure that it's tilting as well. Now everything should be in place, and just do final checks, make sure that everything's in right order. And all you need to do now is put the sunroof back on. You might need again a spare hand for someone to help you because it's quite heavy, so better to do with one more person. So literally put it back on, and it will slot in its place, or just adjust it and slot it in its place. And all you need to do is make sure that you put the 6 screws back on, 3 on each side. Now that everything is back on, you can test it again by going sliding it back and forward, also by tilting it. If for some reason it's not doing what it's supposed to do, just hold the sunroof button for about 30 seconds and it should reset itself, and then you're able to then go slide it back and forward. Hopefully soon I'll be creating a few more other items for the 8 series to keep these cars on the road. But if anyone would like to purchase these, please feel free to drop me a message on my Instagram, BMW Restored. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you soon.